want to. I did.
All right, do it again. Where's the crackers? Are they all gone?
Yeah.
You want some dog treats for him?
Yes.
All right, tell Puppy to sit.
So
Sage, get in there. Go over here.
Get in there.
Come here. Sage, come here. Sit. Puppy, sit. Stay. Stay. Make Puppy stay there, okay?
Stay there. I'm going to sit the way off there. I'll put that way down.
Here, I got you some more treats for Puppy.
Okay.
Okay, make him roll over for me, okay?
Okay. Now sit. Roll over, and then sit.
He's got to lay down first.
Lay down, and then lay down, and roll over. There we go.
Good job.
Now sit.
Give it to him now.
No, sit. And then he's two. He wants to.
Oh, no, make him sit.
Sit.
You gotta do a trick for him first, okay? Make him sit.
Sit. Sit and roll over. Roll over.
He's gotta lay down first.
Lay down. And then roll over.
Take him
Roll
over.
over. Hey, do a treat. Hey, Specker wants to treat. Now sit. 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 Specker, sit. Sit here. Here.
Puppy will do it.
Puppy, sit. Puppy, get up. He wants to sit.
Tell him to roll over.
Roll over.
There you go.
Silly.
Give it to him. He did a good job.
I'll give him one. Now sit. Now sit. Now roll over. Roll over. Lay down. Now roll over.
He's gotta lay down first.
Lay down. Lay down. Now roll over. There we go. I'm giving him one. I'm gonna give Speckers one too. I'm gonna give him one. Give him this one. Here. This one. Puppy needs another one. I forgot to give him another one. Ah!
Yeah, you gotta make him sit first, honey.
Now he's gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell him to sit.
Sit! Now sit! And then roll over. Sit! Sit! Now sit. Roll over. And then roll over.
He's gotta lay down.
Lay down! Lay down! Roll over. Ah.
Is he doing a good job?
Yeah.
He sure is a good dog, isn't he?
Now lay down. Then one lay over.
No. Speckles is a little stubborn. Speckles, sit.
Specker, sit. Sit.
He'll do it. Go like this. Hold it up. Hold it up like that, and he'll do it. Okay. Hold it up high. Tell him, Speckles, sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Speckles, sit.
Specker, sit. 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 Specker, sit.
Speckles, sit.
Specker,
Sit.
Sit.
All right, give it to him. Go ahead and give it to him.
Oh, no, this one.
You want that one? Peter? Make him roll over for it, honey.
Roll.
Here's another one. Get him to do it. Now Speckles is sitting. Hold on. Where's my treat?
Sit. Sit.
Now Speckles is sitting. Give it to him.
Now sit. No sit. No sit. Sit. No, it's just. No.
Now they're all gone.
Where are you going?
Oh, the dogs ate him. Tell Puppy he's good and scrub his head.
Okay.
He's a good dog, isn't he?
He's a dog. Did it enough treats?
No.
They're all gone, Dad.
They're all gone.
They're all gone.